I'm gonna do a real fast video for you guys really quick. This is an item that I purchased, I want to say back in it was last year sometime, back in like June or July, and I actually forgot about it because it was in one of my containers in my closet, and I was in my closet today cleaning out some stuff. But anyway, let me show you guys. Ta-da! Look, it's a little leopard print. Well, it's called animal print keychain. It's called the backpack coin case with animal print. And I purchased this off of the outlet, online outlet, coachoutlet.com. It retails for $70. And I got, no, it retails for $128. My bad. It retails for $128. And I paid $39. It actually was bigger than what I thought it was going to be. But, so here it is. Here's the front. Here's the little side. And then here's the little back. Take that out for you. Here's the little back. There's the other side. And there's the bottom of it. It actually is bigger. Way bigger than what I thought it was going to be. But it's the cutest little thing. But like I said, it's a little coin case. But it has Coach on this little tag right here. And then you can either use it to hook it on your purse, or you can use it as a keychain or whatever. I mean, it's actually something that you probably can put like your little money in, and probably some lip chap and your ID and stuff in there. And if you want to like run to the store real fast, then you just, you know, take this and run into the store real fast. Or if you have it in your bag and you don't want to take your whole bag or something, or if you want to take it to the gym or something like that, I'm guessing this will be perfect for that. But anyway, this opens right here, and you're not going to be able to really get anything in here. You may be able to fold a dollar bill or something up and stick it in here, or a couple of coins. Not many coins, because this is tight, so that's not going to do too much. But then you can open, my little paper. You can open this. Let's stuff with some paper. Now, inside is pretty big. But there's the inside of it. Hope it's not blurry. But there's the inside. It's pretty roomy. Like I said, you should be, if they had this much paper stuffed in there, then you know you can get some stuff, you know, in there. But these came in, I know that at the time that I got this, they had this animal print, and then they had some other prints. But these right here, these sell out so fast. I'm talking about like really fast. Let me see. I am in my office, so I do have some hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works, so that'll fit in there. Let's see. I have a Bath and Body Works lotion. Let me see if that'll fit. Let me fix that up. Let's see. I don't think this is gonna work. Nah, that's not gonna work. So that's a no. Let me see. I have this Bath and Body Works lotion. Let me see if that'll fit. Now that does fit. So if you have one this size, which is a 2 ounce, that one does fit in here. Let me see. Here's the, I know this is not gonna fit in here. I'm reaching now, but hey, we gonna see. I'm gonna take the hand sanitizer out just to see if this will fit. No, that's not gonna fit, y'all. I tried, but that's not gonna fit. But the other one, it does fit. I was trying to see if I had anything else I can put in here just to show you guys. But for the most part, you will be able to get at least a hand sanitizer, a lotion, and maybe a lipstick. Sorry, a lipstick and a lip chap. And then you can put your money in there. But okay, y'all, I'm back. I had ran out of memory space on my card or whatever. But anyway, I just want to show you guys this little quick thing, little quick review of this little coin backpack coin case. Like I said, it's pretty big, and it's really cute. So if y'all get a chance, just keep checking and you may be able to find one. Now I do be seeing these, y'all know me, on Mercari, Poshmark, stuff like that or whatever, and people be selling them for like 60 bucks. So I don't know if you want to pay that. I didn't pay that. I paid 39 bucks. So you might get lucky and be able to find it on the website like I did. So just keep looking. And like always, if you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, just leave them in the bottom, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.